Hello. Okay, you hold this. Okay. Yep, this is the ultimate fist weapon. So when you want to throw it, you want this, your left hand on it, and then bow. Or if you want to throw it that way, bow.
You're still holding it the wrong way.
Who cares? I'm just showing them a good way to. Oh, I stepped on my sword. Hey,
and these are some of the weapons we're going to be showing.
Look at this. It says, old time, hey Juju, had my stuff, banana. And this is my favorite of all.
We already, whatever.
Okay, let's go over here. Do you want to see what this does? Yeah? Okay. Bow! Come in.
You want to see what I can do?
Come in. Kanchenka. There are zombies out there right now. Okay, see, we are really good. Okay. Okay, hold the camera. Dude, hold the camera. Oh, I know a good place where the camera could stay. Right here. Dude, I found a place where the camera could stay. So we can go show you.
These are nightsticks. The weapons cops use in game.
Okay, this has a secret thing on the bottom. Ha-chow! This doesn't. See, these are perfect weapons to dual wield. Chow. Okay? Here's a very little sword. See it? I'm getting some water.
If you like this blade, post a comment saying, I love that Egypt blade.
Water?
Nope.
Now here's a small, bigger one. See? And a kabow! And another kabow!
See this?
And a kabow! Bow, bow, bow! Here let's rock them out here. About this, but this is a perfect guitar to bow. And this is a perfect remote control to kill zombies.
Do you want a little blade like this? You can't buy them anywhere. You gotta go in the army.
Do you want to find something like this? Oh yeah! You want to find something like this?
Then you gotta travel back in time.
My dad was in the army, and I'll show you perfect Santa to hit zombies with.
You can stab straight through a body with this. Spikes will rip out his guts.
Yeah, first aid Santa, right? Yeah.
Recognize anything? Doubt it, Tommy. This might not be the right place, it might. Might not. Let's find out.
Perfect sleeping bag to sleep in. Oh, that reminds me. Do you want to spend the night?
Don't know.
Do you want to?
Dude, you're ruining the video.
Huh?
Ruining the video.
I'm sorry.
No, I will. Just don't ruin the video.
Okay. Well, now you know how to survive a zombie apocalypse. I'll give you a little deed right now. We're in one right now. So yeah. We should have been upstairs killing zombies right now, right?
Yep. But we chose to stay down here and show you guys. We have some other people upstairs helping, but...
Yeah, they're already killing zombies. So click on the link